Pappa Pomodoro or Tuscan bread and tomato soup. You'll need basil, extra virgin olive oil, salt, pepper, 400-gram tin of chopped tomatoes, 4 to 6 cloves of garlic, and half a loaf of sourdough. Start by popping a pan over a low to medium heat, and go ahead and finely slice the garlic. Drizzle 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil into the pan, and now you can add the garlic. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes. As the garlic starts to turn golden, tear in a handful of basil. Add the chopped tomatoes, then refill the empty can with water and add in with the tomatoes also. Bring to the boil, reduce to a simmer for 30 to 4 minutes or until thickened. And now tear in the bread into bite-sized pieces. Continue to cook for 30 to 40 minutes until all the bread's broken down. Serve with extra thyme basil and a good lug of extra virgin olive oil.